And I want my credit, baby. And I want my credits, baby. You want me around. You wanna mess with me, the things that I...
We got some fresh broccoli. We're gonna deglaze the pan with a little lime juice. See how it take up all that flavor from the chicken and the, whatchamacallit, a little olive oil. And then we're gonna add some soy sauce as well. Key to all this is we wanna undercook everything. Just because it's gonna cook in the oven on the pizza, we just wanna add a little flavor. And we want everything to keep its texture and not be overcooked after the pizza cooks in the oven. And we're gonna add some fresh garlic to this broccoli as well. All right, so now we're gonna assemble the pizza. We got some olive oil on this bad boy. We're just gonna brush that all over. And we go with our sauce. And I like a little bit extra sauce on my pizza. You can go as thin or as much as you like. And this is a hidden gem right here. This Hickory Smokehouse blend. I'm telling you, man. And I just put that lightly on the bottom of the pizza. Just real light. Gonna do a little buttermilk ranch. Just a little bit. We're not going crazy. And we go down with our chicken. And you see, we don't want, like I said, we don't want to overcook this in the pan because it's going to cook again in the oven. All right, now we go to tomatoes. All right, then we go onions. And then we go broccoli. Then we go with our bacon. Then you go with your Italian style cheese. You got mozzarella, Gouda, provolone, Parmesan, Romano, Fontino, Asiago. Woo, Lord have mercy. And we already got that Gouda and everything at the bottom. So you just talking about flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. All right, so we just press this down real good to make sure it's not sitting up too high. And then top it off with some banana peppers. And the good thing about, like I said, about doing pizza, guys, you can do it however you want to do it. This is just, now we just throw this joker in the oven on 425 for about 10 minutes. You're gonna try this, you are great.
On him, but he ain't